Good morning, champs! In the last video, we saw that different paths can give the same result. Now we test what happens with a different function. We take f of z equals the absolute value of z squared, and we integrate from 0 to 1 plus I. First, we take the straight line. We parametrize it as gamma of t equals t times 1 plus I. The derivative is 1 plus I. Now we compute the function. The magnitude squared of t times 1 plus I is 2t squared. Now we multiply. We get 2t squared times 1 plus I. Now we integrate. This gives 2/3 times 1 plus I. Now we take a different path. First from 0 to 1. Then from 1 to 1 plus I. For the first part, the integral is 1/3. For the second part, we parametrize as 1 plus it. The derivative is I. The magnitude squared becomes 1 plus t squared. Multiplying gives I times 1 plus t squared. Integrating gives 4/3 I. Adding both parts gives 1/3 plus 4/3 I. Now we compare the results. They are not equal. So the path change and the result change. Why? Because this function is not holomorphic. So there is no antiderivative. And that means the integral depends on the path. This is the key idea. If the function is not holomorphic, the path matters.